as I move on to what I have to do. Okay, so move on. So having clause is used to filter grouped results, group results based on condition applied to aggregate functions. It works after group by. It works after group by. Similar to how where works for individual rows. So it's similar with the where clause. So we have the syntax. We have select column, aggregate function, in an open bracket, column name. Yes? Hello?
Class, my network is bad.
The network is bad.
Yes, it's just breaking. It's cracking.
Okay. Just try to be active. Just try. Yes?
Thank you, sir.
Just try. Try to be active. So let's go on. So this is the syntax that I was saying. The goodbye, it comes before the having. So here is the having condition. So we're looking at example. You know the way we'll do it now. I'll first do the first example, then you do the second example, the third, and the fourth before we move to the next topic. Is that clear? I'll do the first example, I'll say the second example, somebody will do it for us, the third one, fourth one, just try and do it together. So the first example, based on what I've explained now, with the having syntax. Example one. Example one. Find mm, find category. Let's say categories. Find categories with more than 5 times. Find categories with more than 5 times. Did you get that? Find categories with more than 5 times. So let's start. What column are we to return? Select category. Select category. Then count X. It means count all as total underscore items from restaurant table. Goodbye. What are we grouping it with? What are we grouping this thing with? Goodbye category. Having it said more than 5 times. That means um having item total item greater than 5. Please, if I state any question, if you are to answer, you can just signify by raising your hand. So I'll give you time to talk. So let's run this. So these are the records that are greater than 5. These are the categories of count that are greater than 5. If they say greater than 15, you just change it. You can see return just one. So make cost is the one after grouping it is the one that have the total number that is greater than 15. So but this question say 5, so let's leave it at 5. Any question? So who is doing the second example? Who is doing the second example? Who is doing the second example? Who want to try? Based on the explanation that I gave now, who want to try the second one? If you want to try, raise your hand. Oh. Let me give you time. Mr. Ovi, okay? Want to try? Oh yeah, let's go.
All right. Select category,
Okay. Select category,
comma, sum price
some price
as total price
as total price
from restaurant.
from restaurants.
Group by category.
Go by category.
Having total price
Having total price
greater than 500.
bigger than 500. Good.
Semicolon.
Hold on. That is example. Example two. Example three. Please, I will follow him. Find category.
Trying to follow, trying to follow.
Find categories. Okay. With total revenue between 300 and 1,000. Who want to go for that? Anybody? Anyone in the class want to try this? Mr. Sheo, want to try? Tagisley, want to try? Miss Shoma, want to try? This one?
I-
Anybody?
I'm trying to follow up right now. I was trying to download that file. It
Okay.
was CSV.
Nobody, so let's do it together. Let's do this one together. Since it's
Okay.
silent, everybody's silent, so let's do it. That means nobody wants to try it. Select category, then some price as total revenue from restaurants. Put by category having total revenue between 300 and 1000. So that is that under having. So next, like operator. Like operator. Should I go ahead? Hold on. Are you trying to alright? Should I go ahead? Okay, so let's move on and check your WhatsApp page for the write up. So the like operator is used in a where clause to search for a specified pattern in a column. So there are two wildcards often used in conjunction with the like operator. Like I said, the like operator is used in a where clause to search for a specified pattern. I'm drawing it again. So we use to search for a specified pattern. To have two white cards, the percentage represents 0, 1, or multiple characters, while the underscore represents 1, single characters. So you can also take note that the percentage signs and the underscore can also be used in combination. Both can also be used in combination. Both can use in combination. So the syntax for the where clause have a syntax. Syntax for where clause. I want to send us something so we can use it to apply it. So please check the image I sent to you. Let's use it. Have you received what I sent to you?
Yes.
Okay, so if you look at that table, I said where customer like when you say a percentage fine. Hello, sir.
I'm not that group. Oh.
Okay, hold on. I'll just forward everything I've sent to that group now. So let's. Okay, where's that your group? Where's your WhatsApp group? Science. Okay, I'll send it to you, sir. I'll check. So please let me explain so we can go on. He said a percentage. It can be any letter. He said finds any value that starts with a. So anytime you see anything that starts with a letter and percentage at the front, it means that it finds anything that starts with what? With that particular value. Next, with that particular test. Next, you have percentage A. That means end. Any value that end with the letter A. So it can be letter B, it can be the letter C, it can be any letter. So you get. So look at the third one. OR percentage. It means any value that have OR in any position. So you have underscore R percentage. Find any value that have R in the second position. Like I said, it can be any letter. So we have find any value that start with A and at least two character, which is A underscore. We also have A2 underscore. That one is for at least three characters. We have A percentage O. So that one is end start with A and end with O. So those are some of the examples. So we'll be looking at it, how we can apply it based on the data set I gave you now. Restaurant. How do we apply it on this restaurant data set? How do you apply it on the restaurant data set? So how do you apply this on the restaurant data set? So let's look at example one. Example one. Example one. So we should find all items that starts with C. All items that start with C. So let's solve it together. All items that start with C. Select item name from restaurants, which is the table name, where item name like. So who can tell us when you say start with C, what will it be? Somebody from the house.
C percentage.
C percentage. Okay. So we have how many rows there? Start with C. Let's see. How many record? We have 12 rows. 12. 12 rows. 12 rows. 12 rows. Another example. Example 2. Example 2. Find all items that ends with soup. All items. So select item name from restaurant where item name. So end is what? Like from the table I gave you, I've given you hints now. Tell me
Percentage soup.
percentage what? So,
Soup.
so I have a 2. Example 3. Example 3. Find all items that contain pizza anywhere in the name. Select start from restaurants where item name like what?
Percentage pizza percentage.
Like percentage pizza percentage. Are you sure? Are you sure now?
Mm-hmm.
You sure we don't have pizza here? Let's see. Select select start from restaurants. Let's see. Okay, there is no pizza. Actually, there is pizza here. No pizza. No pizza. No pizza there. So next, our code is correct. So there's no pizza. Example 4. Find all items where the second letter is E. Select start from restaurants where item name like what?
Underscore E percentage.
Underscore E percentage. We have 8 rows. 8. 8 rows. The last example I'll give under this, there's a lot of examples. Example 5. I'll stop for this example. You can try this. So just do this so I'll move to the next topic.
Select
Select start from yeah. Who's doing it?
from restaurant.
Huh?
From restaurant.
From restaurant.
Where
Where
the item name
item name Like
like it's underscore.
underscore.
And then run it from it.
Huh?
No,
Underscore.
I've put underscore. How many?
like five.
Five.
Five
Five
underscore.
underscore.
Then close it.
Five underscore. And then is it
6 rows. Is it five I put there? Or four? So the last one, who is serving the last one? Who wants to do this one?
select from restaurant? From restaurant.
Uh-huh.
Where item name
Mm-hmm. Like
like chicken.
Like what?
Chicken.
Can't just be chicken now.
Percentage
Percentage
chicken.
chicken.
mm-hmm.
Percentage. Order
order it.
by
Yes.
Order the item by sending.
item name.
Yes.
Item name.
You can put a sender, you can leave it like that.
Item name.
Tools.
Okay, one more. Then let me do one more. Oh yeah, we'll try this. We want to make attempt on this.
Select star
Select yes.
Select
From
from
restaurant.
restaurant.
from restaurant.
Restaurant.
Where business.
Item.
Yeah, item name.
Item name.
Eh?
Item
Where
name, yeah, item name.
item name.
I don't feel.
Where beverage.
And
First
beverage does not have, there's not a column now. There's no column by beverage now.
Who told
By
you?
category.
Like
Category.
also beverage.
And now it's supposed to have master that table. So that anytime I print any question, you know where it is coming from.
Like
No?
Ah,
Oh yeah.
Oh boy.
Oh yeah.
wait, just order wait now.
Oh yeah.
Just
I,
order
will-
it.
I I should know what to
No, it's not that. Start with C.
read it again, read the question. You understand it.
Let's start with C.
After we see
And cat and beverage.
I can like percentage. See percentage like order by.
Uh,
Ah,
It's under my item.
that by other by what? By price. Descending. So I'll send you practice to do in this one. So, don't forget, we also have not like. Understand? There is also not like. So, madam, because we are raising your hand.
Yes, sir, Mr. Dan.
Okay.
Please, I'm lacking behind.
For where?
From the question I sent you, I didn't have chance today to call your attention to this item name. It was not joining together from my end. And secondly, all this percentage, I don't understand.
Maybe you are having network issue now. I have gone far.
Yes,
Gone. Started
sir,
with
please, can you help me? Maybe towards the ending of the class, if my battery is still on, maybe when everybody has gone, just put me through on how to link those two names together.
Voila.
Thank you, sir.
So we are through with like I was explaining this the way you have like operator. We also have not like that is opposite. Do you understand? So we also have not like. If I say not like let me go back to that. Okay. Let's just do one example. Let's do one example or not like or two. One or two examples. Not like operator. Example one. Example one. So look at this. Can someone try this one? So move on to the next.
select star
Select star.
from restaurant
Okay.
where item name not like
Not like. Not like.
Burger.
Not like percentage.
percentage
Percentage burger.
Percentage.
burger
Burger percentage.
Burger.
percentage
Percentage. Then semicolon. More like burger. Burger. Did you notice now? It's only one burger you have. Did you get it? You know the total record was 71. Did you get?
yes
So it's only one burger. Only one. That burger. Okay. So let's move on. That is that on what is it called? Like operator. Like I said, we are going deeper inside so much more. Next, we have case function. Case case function. means it's just like your if statement. So just like your if statement. Mm. So the case statement in SQL allows you to perform conditional logic within queries. It works like an if else statement and is commonly used for conditional column values. Grouping data and filtering results. Grouping data and filtering results. So let's take a look at the formula for let's look at the formula. Let's see. Mm, Please help us, 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 help us. Hey, 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 hey. I want to buzz my ear. Yeah. Wait, look at the syntax I sent. So we have select column case when condition one, then result one, then condition two, then result two, else default underscore results, and as new column name from table name. So the explanation to this is that the when you say when, define a condition, then specifies the value to return if the condition is met. While X optional is optional, this else is optional, provides a default value if none of the condition match. So I'll give you a few minutes to look at it. So, please, if I should move on, let me see your hand. Should I move on? Should I move on? So let's look at the first question. Example one. Somebody should help me out with the example one. So we'll do it together. You'll be reading it out for me. Then we'll do it together. Example one. Anybody there? Help me out while I solve it. Okay, I can see it. No need. I can see myself. So look at this question. It says categorizing items based on price. It says to categorize the item based on price. Write a query that categorize the items as cheap if the price is less than 10, moderate if the price is between 10 and 20, expensive if the price is greater than 20. You say we should use an alias price underscore category for the new column. So as we do, I will solve this one. So pay attention while I solve it. Then I will now give you two to solve. Should we go on? Or you want to look at the definition again? You want to look at the definition? Should I go on? Okay, let's solve it. But don't ask me question. If you don't ask question now, don't ask me question. Now you go fight. So select. This is where you ask question. What is this? What is this? So the person can explain. Say we should get the price if it's less than. We get cheap if the price is less than 10. So let's start. What we're returning is the item name. Select item name, comma price, then comma case. When price less than, so when price is less than, when price is less than 10, then return cheap price. When price between 10 and 20, then moderate. When price greater than 20, then expensive. Else unknown. And so we should end it as on price underscore category. End as price underscore category from restaurants. So you can see the range. 0. That one is less than 10. It means that it's cheap. You can see that cheap. This was that moderate. We have expensive. You can see that we have expensive, we have moderate, and we have cheap. We don't have unknown. We don't have unknown. So any question here? Question 2. Can somebody do this two for us? Question 2. Can somebody try that? Nobody. So let's do this one. Let's do it again. So move to that topic. Let's do this one. The question says, say assigning discounts based on category. Write a query that applies the following discounts: 10%
Um,
discount for beverages,
so
15% discount for desserts, non-discount for other categories. Create a new column, discounted price, to display the new price. So it just should display the new price. The same way we did the other one. But this time around, they say we should do 10% discount. 10% discount. So how do you calculate 10% discount? I'm asking how will we get 10% discount? So let's try that. Let's do it together. Since nobody want to solve it for us. All of them don't go mute. Select item name, comma category, comma price, case. When category equals beverages, then price, price times. For that 10% discount, we use a 0.9. Oh, this lady, I didn't say anything like that. Call you like later. 0.9. I didn't see anything. I'll call you back. when category equals desserts, then or it's on the line or it's on queue, then price times 0.85. Else, else, price and as discounted price from restaurants table. Bye bye. Yes.
Oh, please, how do you do the 0.9 and 0.85?
Huh?
How do you get 0.9 and 0.85?
Okay. How did I get?
Yeah, the discounted price
Okay,
0.9
I apply it. So she remove what is it called? 10%
and 15
discount
mm,
from beverages. Can say it.
beverages. Yeah,
So yeah, she should take away 15%.
yeah.
Uh-huh. That's what I did there. So the initial table is this. This is what you have. So let's start from um, restaurants. Restaurant table. So these are some of the prices you have. But it's for look at the categories where you're doing it to. So you get you focus on the categories. These are this. That's why you're applying the conditional. Did you get?
Yes.
Uh-huh. That is the place you're applying the condition. And you can see the effects. It's, let me run it again and show you. You check where you have privileges. These are privileges. You can see that they are discounted price now.
Mr. Van,
Yep.
you understand what I'm asking? How did you calculate to get this 0.9?
You see what?
How did you calculate to get this 0.9?
How did I do what?
How did you calculate it to get 0.9?
Okay, I should do the calculation for you. Hmm?
Just say it, just say it, just say it. None of it. Just say
I'm not saying it now. You want me to do it? Just say do it.
it. Yeah, do it, do it.
10%. The price of beverages is what? Hmm?
Talking about
You say what?
which price are you talking about? The
The
discounted
price
price
of
or
beverages is what? Hmm? Let me just before I explain to you, the price of beverages is what? Look at
They are
it.
different across different items.
Look at it here now. Check one. See, let's pick one first. So I will explain how you get that 0.90.
Mm.
I'll explain it to you. Let me check where it is. Yeah, yeah. Look at it. This
Mm-hmm.
one now is this one is 18. That is row
100.
500. Row 500. Let me check here. Um, items. Row 500. So what is it?
16.2.
80. So if you want to if you want to reduce the price by 10%,
Mm.
hmm, you
Mm-hmm.
multiply it by that. It's supposed to be 0.90. So how they got this 0.90 is 100% minus 10%.
Mm.
Yes, you get.
Yes.
Mhm. So 100% minus 10%. You now have 90%, or
90,
you now
yeah.
say that 90% is equivalent to 0.90. You understand?
Okay. Thank you. I understand now.
Any question? No question again. Okay. Let's do example 3. Example 3. With the two things I did now, who can do this? Who can try that? Nobody? Nobody can solve this one. Ah, so this one had to be like this.
Let me try. I don't know. First time seeing this thing.
So
Correct.
Mr. Obi, this one had it
Okay.
like this.
Okay.
And the reason
Look at
I
it.
want you speak this thing from the the numbers. There's no column that has the numbers now.
There's no.
Column. They said you should if the stock quantity is greater. Is there any quantity? There's no
Okay,
quantity.
okay, okay. Hold on. Let me give you something that is related to what I have on that table. minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Up, 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 up. Okay. Not this one. Let me give you this one. Okay. I'll do this one.
Grouping item by cost category. Okay. I'll do that. Group item cost. Okay. Oh yeah now. Okay. Select
Select
item name or category cost.
group item. Group item by cost category.
Which category and cost now?
Group item by cost category. Write a query that groups item into low cost if the
Cost.
cost is less than 5, medium cost if the
Medium
cost is
cost.
between 5 and 15, high cost if the cost is greater than 15, and count the number of items in each category.
Hmm.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Now select category, then item name and cost.
Select category, show for you. Select category. Okay, item
Item name,
and what?
cost.
Mhm.
Cost.
Yes. Case, comma,
Eh?
comma,
Comma.
case.
Yes.
Mhm.
When.
When
Hmm. Somebody don't join you.
I dey tell you.
When yeah.
Cost is less than 5.
Uh-huh.
Then
Then low cost.
low cost.
At least you go get some parts. Maybe say that you get everything.
When.
I'm coming.
When cost.
I'm coming. Let me take someone that message me. Let's go. When
When cost
costs
between
Between 5
between
5 and
15.
15.
5 and 15.
Mm-hmm.
Then medium cost.
Then
Then medium medium costs. Okay.
When
when.
When
cost.
ah 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 read it
I
well.
see
Oh.
that.
Read it well. Oh.
Okay.
I was referred to you. Oh, regarding to your computer class. Okay. Which of the courses? Yes, read it well. Oh.
I don't know. I'll read it.
Or are you saying we should group the item? We should write a query to group it first.
Is it me you're asking or the question? If you ask me, I will solve it now. I said you solve it.
Is it?
I said you solve it. So if you ask me,
It's how we are solving now.
imagine. Imagine.
You have not given us example where we'll be grouping with this case
So I'll
function.
give you example for everything. This one, okay.
Please
Nice
don't
one.
just give us hints. Give us, Mr. Lord, give us hints.
Nice one. Who can try? At least people are making progress here. You tried, yeah, but there are still something that will correct. You try small. So who can complete it for them? SQL experts. Nobody there. All of you are beginners. Nobody will be expert for you.
Oh yeah, else. Let's use else.
Ah,
No, I don't think that's
okay. Else. Else what?
It don't show red though.
true.
Okay,
High cost.
Else high cost.
I
don't
am.
show red.
Next.
Count.
And end as. He said we should end it as what? Cost underscore category. End as cost underscore category. Then the question said,
From
hold on,
restaurant data.
hold on. Group the data by category, write a
Cost
query,
category.
okay, count the number of items, okay. Count, open
Take the
bracket,
code.
asterisk, then
So,
as item underscore count
cost.
from restaurant. Then you still should group it by what? Group
Move
by
by cost.
That's cost
cost
category.
underscore category. Group by. So this is the error here. I'm sure that this is the error here. Let's see this out. Yeah, that is the error.
Eh?
You don't need to call out any color.
You don't need to do what?
Eh,
Yes.
You
now
don't
I
need to
never
do what,
thought
Mr.
this.
Dan? Mr. Dan.
Yes.
So we don't need to do what?
You don't need to call out those columns now. You know those columns have values inside. They have names inside. But what you're asked to do is to look at it. It says you should group item by cost category. So what is the cost category?
Okay.
So you're grouping it based on low cost, medium cost, and high cost.
High cost.
That's it.
Okay. Oh.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So for low cost, we have two counts. For medium cost, we have 19 counts. For high cost, we have 50 counts.
Wow.
So then, are we done?
Ah, you want to run away? I'll finish what have I done here today? What have I done today that you want to run away?
I don't have any lights.
Today, let me add it. We don't have it. We've done,
Lights.
once again, light,
Lights. Not lights.
then
Okay. Come on.
case. Which other one?
Mm, that's all.
Nice one now.
Not
Anything
like
else?
you like now.
That's only two things we've done now. Three, having like case. Okay. Updates. Updates.
Updates. Yeah.
Insert into. Insert into. Delete. Describe. So let's do this one. Let's do that for. Uh, just for one example. Then we are through. We've done, still have much to do, but not today. So let's start with updates. Let's start with updates. Update statements.
Uh,
So what does it mean to update? To modify, to change. You understand? To change something inside your data set. So that is what update is. So we use update to modify existing record. So there must be an existing record before you can change something. Understand? There must be something existing before you can change. So without a no record, you can't update. So let's go. SQL update statements. So SQL update statements. The update statements is used. So this updates, some of us will have issue a little. What is the issue? Some of us, our update is restricted. You need to remove it from restriction before you can update. Otherwise, you can't run the update with me. I will show you how to remove it. And then after that, you need to close your system and open it back for it to be active. So the syntax for the updates, we have update table, column name, I mean set column equals value 1, column 2 equals value 2, then where condition, So we have this table. When you talk about the table is the table where you want to update the record. Talking about the set, specify which column to modify, which column do you want to modify, and their new values. What do you want to put inside that column? That is the meaning of that set. While the where condition ensure that only specific rows are updated, without where all rows will be updated. So if you fail to put where in your update, it means that you want to update all the entire rows. So take note. Don't tell me that Mr. Daniel is wicked. When you go and change all your record to be the same, it's not me that caused it too. It's you that caused it. It's not me. It's not me. Let me send. Have I sent this one? No. Not sure. Update. 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 Then I check. Have you seen what I sent to you? Hello, sir. Yeah, good evening, sir. Good evening. Okay, how you doing, sir? Okay. I like to know the person that gave you my contact. So, come. Okay, go. Okay. Okay. So how do you want to run it? Is it online? Where do you stay, Colin? Well, you coming to Kenya now? Okay. I'll send it to you. Yeah, when I finish, I'm in class. I'll forward it to you. Okay. Okay, so let's go on. Updates. So these are the syntax we are going to be applying for this update statement. Let's try something. Let's look at the table and try something. Select star from restaurant. See. So just one question. I mean one update or two. Then move on to the next thing. Just one. Let me just go just one for one update. Um. So look at this. Can anybody try this? Just this example. With the syntax I gave you, can you try it? Can you try this? Okay, let me do this one. Can you put tired? Let me do this one so I can sleep. Updates, restaurant table. Then set what column? What column is that? Category. Is it category?
Yeah.
Category.
Are you sure? Or I'm looking at the item name. Let me check first. It's a salad. It's
I
item
think
name.
Okay.
the item name
It's item name.
everybody does with this.
Okay.
Item name. Item name.
Item.
Item name equals
Equals to
LD.
where?
LDs. LD choices.
Should I come tomorrow? Who is this one? Search. Next. Next line.
Yeah. Item names versus Caesar salad.
So failure to put this where clause, all those rows will be changed to what? LD choice. So you understand?
okay.
Hmm.
So my record was updated. Just one.
Updated.
One. If your own did not show one rule affected, come to edit, then click on preferences. Click on these preferences, then to show you this box here. If your own is not showing that it has been updated, it's not showing green, you will come here, SQL editor, then you scroll down here. You will see where you have a save updates, reject, update, and delete. It means if this thing is checked like this, if you check a blue like this, you cannot delete or update on your MySQL workbench. You need to remove it from the restriction. Then you click OK. After you finish removing it, click OK. Then you reload your workbench. You save your workbench and reload it. So what I mean by reloading, not that you go and install again. No. When you close it, you open it back. You open your workbench back. But make sure you save your program, save your code, so you don't look for it. So this is where I'll stop. Since you guys, let me take this one before I forget. Say I never teach the other one. That's where I'll stop for the update. Let me let me take this one here. Let me just show you the scribe. But so that's why I'll continue with insert info and delete. So describe. If you want to show the properties of your table. If you want to show the properties of your table, you can describe your table. Describe restaurant. So you can see to show you the field how this was created, the type, if there is none, if there is primary key, if there is default and extra. So it will show you the column name. You can see item is integer, which is int, non-value. You can take in non-value, no primary key, no default. Category, you have text as the data type. No, you can take non-values. Key, you have subcategory. So like that. That is for describe. So we'll continue with insert into and delete. So thank you.
Hello, Mr. Dan.
Yes, sir.